ANDRITZ has been working and provide maintenance reliability solution over 35 years. And based on this experience, we can help in mining. How? Integrating process, collect data, information through the equipment, and provide to the customer the right information data to make right decisions. So based on that, we are capable to offer to the customer the best solution that they can have.
ANDRITZ brings their knowledge to keep the system running reliably. We have a dedicated team on site taking care of the SAMs, the continuous emission monitoring system, and making sure that you are producing under the legal requirements to your facility. This is what is putting us on the market, keeping our business in partnership with over 25 years, with customers on the mining industry.
Right now, a lot of customers are focusing on sustainability, caring about environment, along with, of course, the benefits and economics of it. You need systems, you need technology, you need platform to connect all of that together, utilize all that data. ANDRITZ has a long history in delivering solutions in that area. Our Metros platform enables our customer to do so. Recently, we also partnered with Microsoft, and they provide all these different, basically for machine learning platforms, for self-learning controls, for AI controls.
MINExpo is our umbrella of all our technologies: simulation, digital twins, artificial intelligence, and real-time optimization, even cybersecurity. You can collect the data, analyze the data, and apply the data in real time for our advanced process control solution. In mining, it's quite difficult to have equipment for every single measurement, for every single data that we like to use for the digital solutions. Digital twins is, as the name says, is a replica of the current equipment or the complete area. A digital replica can help us just to copy and paste those variables from the side of the equipment. Meds can use that data, managers can use the data, the control system also can use that data.
As operations become more invested into digital automation and systems and interconnecting to devices and assets, they need to be protected through a high level of OT cybersecurity.
By adding autonomous or digitalization solutions, overall, you're going to produce better, you're going to do it safer, and ultimately you're going to produce more capital for your operation and for your company.
ANDRITZ believes that technology must be fit for purpose, so to provide value for assets, people, and the environment. So we want to know your challenge, and we do have the technology ready to help make mining better.